Running a small business today feels like doing 5 jobs at once. One minute you're answering customer messages, the next you're dealing with suppliers, checking inventory, running marketing, fixing website issues, and somehow still trying to grow the business at the same time. Most business owners don't actually need more ideas, they need more execution. And that's why today we're checking out ACCIO WORK. Because instead of being just another AI chatbot that gives suggestions, this platform is built to actually help run operations for your business. The whole concept is basically expanding your execution, drafting emails, sending them out, writing social media posts, and publishing live. Well, you could do it all in seconds with ACCIO WORK. Let's dive in. So what exactly is ACCIO WORK? Well, ACCIO WORK doesn't just answer questions, it actually helps execute tasks across sourcing, logistics, marketing, customer management, reporting, and operations. So instead of opening 10 different tools and manually doing everything yourself, the platform uses AI agents to help automate large parts of the workflow. We've pressed go on this and ACCIO is instantly getting to work. And the setup is surprisingly simple here. There's no coding, no complicated automations, and no technical setup process. And just like that, we have everything in front of our eyes that we can use to build a potentially viral YouTube video. You can see it says top trending narratives for this week, as well as 5 potential video topics that we can choose from. Now, depending on what we want, we can choose different agents to chat with here. So we've got a coder, an e-commerce mind, a Shopify operator, and of course a general purpose assistant from ACCIO itself. If we go to the plugin sections, the integration here is crazy. You can integrate with global selling agents such as Alibaba. You've got Microsoft 365, Notion, LinkedIn, just to name a few here. And it's pretty limitless on what it can do. We also have access to Gmail here too. So we could have this thing work with our Gmail, potentially automatically replying and reading emails and sounding like a human. Now for the channels section, we can see we have access to Telegram, Discord, DingTalk, WeChat, and Faceshoot. Going back to our chat here, let's ask ACCIO something else. We're going to press send and ACCIO is going to get to work instantly. Now it's actually asking us a question which I find incredibly intuitive. It says, I'm researching 20 crypto projects and drafting outreach emails and potentially gain us more clients. ACCIO WORK asks you just a few smart questions about your brand and goals, and boom, it perfectly tailors the vibe to match your target influencer. No generic templates, just hyper-personalized pitches that actually get replies. And here we can see it's now listing all of the potential different projects that we can contact, as well as primary contacts, which is their email addresses or their websites. So we can just go through this and email all of them, or we could even ask ACCIO to do that for us. Now, as well as that, it's drafted different potential outreach emails. So here we have an email here under number 2, outreach email drafts. We've got the subjects, the entire emails, and of course, they have different versions of that for us to choose from. Now, the next steps it says is sending and tracking. So we're going to need to input our email address and our channel info so it can fully draft the email, because we don't want those in bracket areas to be present in our outreach emails. So we've put in our email and channel name here, and ACCIO is going to go ahead and put that into the email drafts. So now it's giving us a summary here. It's done the research and content strategy. It's also done the sponsorship and outreach progress as well. So we have emails drafted up, and of course we have projects to contact. And it's also successfully registered a Gmail reply listener for the 20 contact addresses. So basically, whenever any of these projects or marketing contact from the domains replies to the Gmail, the session will automatically be reactivated. It's also going to give us a daily summary here. The next step is to link up our email, so we can click on the Gmail section here. It's going to initialize the resources, authorize the accounts. So this will just require us to sign in here, and then it should be able to send and receive emails and track those emails automatically. Now we can also link it up with things like Twitter/X. So it's going to do the same thing here. Simply just ask us for a browser login, and then we can authorize the app and it's going to get to work in our DMs. Now after that, we can input this next prompt, which I think is a great example of how ACCIO works. Now if we've integrated all these platforms on to ACCIO, it's going to be able to do this with ease. Now it spends a bit of time with sub agents here. This is one of the great features of ACCIO. It's not all going to be on one agent. There's specialized agents, and it's returned here with copy for our different posts. So we've got our X posts here, in which we have the hook, the process, the strategy, and of course risk management and promotion. This is a very typical X strategy, separating it into a thread and having people basically get retention on each of those posts. Then we have Telegram announcements, YouTube Shorts ideas, and basically everything we asked for, all in one very easy to use reply. All we would do is copy these and paste them into our social media, or if we have our accounts connected, we can have this automatically do it if the platform allows. And here we can see it's come back with the post that it's scheduled, and it's even give us a date and time for those posts. So putting this all together, this is why I think a lot of tools are getting attention right now. AI is shifting from just answering questions to actually helping businesses execute operations. And for small business owners trying to grow without immediately hiring a massive team, well, that's a powerful idea. If you want to check it out for yourself, I will leave a link to ACCIO Work in the description below. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.